Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back after almost a week of rest, and we are back in providing you a review of the latest smartwatch in the market. So what we have here is the Haylou RT. So specifically, the model here is the Haylou LS05S model, as you can see here. So let me focus on the information here. So Haylou RT LS05S. Okay, and as you can see here, it is a circular smartwatch with a sporty design. So we're going to have an unboxing of this wearable, so let's check it out. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. Okay, so let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, so let's have the unboxing. Again, you can subscribe, like, or share, okay, to know the latest information on the latest smartwatches in the market. Okay, so we have here simple packaging, and at the back, so we have some specs here, so we're going to check on it later on. So let's check first the contents of the Haylou RT. What's the model? LS05S. Okay, so how to open this box? Check. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch with a strap already attached to it. Okay, then what else? So we have the charging cable and the user manual. So let's check the user manual here. So it's available in different languages here. Okay, so you have some instructions. Let's check for the QR code. So we have here the QR code for the app. So the app is the Haylou Fan app. Haylou Fan app. So available in iOS and Android. Okay, so let's put this aside. Okay, so going back to the smartwatch. Okay, let's check it. Also, we have, I think we have a metal bezel here, but the body seems like it's a PC body here. We have two physical buttons, sporty type, and we have a interchangeable soft silicone strap. Okay, so it looks good. We have the sensor here, and on the bottom part we have the charging connector. Okay, so far on the specs, let's see. So we have here the name Haylou RT. Okay, let's focus on the details here. Okay, so the model is Haylou LS05S. We have the battery here, 300 mAh lithium ion. Also, the size is 45.5 by 12.4 millimeter. We have a very good rating here for waterproof, IP68. We have a Bluetooth 5.0, Android 6.0 and above, OS 11 and above platform. Okay, so we have at least 12 workout modes. We have sleep monitoring, at TFT, high definition touchscreen, all day heart rate monitoring. So we have an option for 24/7 monitoring, and of course the 300 mAh provide a 15 days battery life. Okay, so we have here the design. let's remove this. Okay, so far we have a beautiful bezel here. Okay, and we have another bezel here, black bezel here with line markings, second and minute markings on the side. Okay, so we have two physical glossy button. I think this is a PC body with a metal bezel. Let's turn it on. Let's see if there's a battery left. Okay, so still have some juice left here. So to be able to open here, you have to connect it with a Haylou fan app. Okay, so let's see. Add Haylou RT. So we will need a support app to be able to activate the smartwatch. Okay, but let's just check the display screen here. Okay, so far so good with the display, very sharp. Seems like we have a touchscreen support. Okay, let's take a look at the design. Okay, okay, as you can see here, if I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so far it looks good. It's lightweight and seems like it's comfortable to wear. Okay, so that's it. And we have here the magnetic charging cable. Okay, so that's it for the Haylou RT unboxing review. The Haylou RT LS05S. So if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Watch out for our next video for the Haylou RT, especially on the menus and different functions of the smartwatch. Goodbye.